I will be showing you how you guys can archive a chat in the WhatsApp. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you won't forget miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So first thing first is that all you have to do is to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store application, make sure that your WhatsApp application is up to date. For that, what you have to do is to search WhatsApp and make sure that it's up to date and there is no update for your application. And once you have checked that, go back to your WhatsApp application and press the chat and press and hold on the chat which you want to archive. For example, this chat is over here and I want to archive it. What I have to do is to go and click on this option right on the top of the screen. Just simply go ahead and click on it. That way, the chat has now been archived. So what I have to do next is how I can read that chat. For that, the process is very simple. I have to click on the archive chats, and in the archive chats, I will see this chat that I have just archived. So in case I want to unarchive it, what I have to do is to click on this button on the top right corner. Simply click on it and it will unarchive it. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.